What's up, guys? It's Josh here with another how to make money online video and how to become financially free with your online income. And we're going to be going over how to use TikTok and affiliate marketing hand in hand. Now, as I have said in previous videos, ClickBank is my go-to for finding affiliate programs that I would like to use to try and get my affiliate links for and try and make me money online. So I jumped over onto ClickBank. And now while looking for a program to promote or a product, you want to keep in mind that you're going to want it to appeal to mostly females and between ages 20 to 39. So with that in mind, I chose to go for animal care and pets because most females like dogs or cats, and most females or males even would give a lot of money to do something with their cats and dogs. And I looked through the programs here and I decided on this brain training for dogs. It has an affiliate page, which means that they'll support you and help you get sales and gives you free, like pictures to use if you decide to run advertisements and all that, which is always nice for the future. But an average conversion of 3166, which is not bad for a program. And one thing you want to keep in mind is TikTok is not the highest converting social media. The people are more likely to buy smaller things on TikTok than larger things, as TikTok is still a new form of social media. So you choose your program, and here's their page that someone would land on with your link, and then you learn about it. So it develops your dog's hidden intelligence, and you got a little testimonial. Actually, no, that's a who it is, and it's about training your dog. It's like blah blah blah, all nice. You got a little video, which is nice. You got testimonials, great. You got more intelligent dogs are better behaved and more obedient, awesome. And I mentioned everybody wants a well-trained dog, and it just keeps going and going. Explains what you're getting, does more explaining what you're getting, more testimonials, perfect. And then now let's talk about your investment. If you hire to train your dog in person, you expect to pay up to $350 per hour to spend a full day's consulting, blah, 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 blah. So here you go. Your price is $47. So when someone clicks on your link after you've made a video about it, they're going to get to the page and it's going to be like, oh wow, it's only $47. And someone's much more likely to buy that off of TikTok than they are to buy, a $500 thing. Even though your conversion rate isn't, you're not getting like a massive chunk of change. A bunch of these will still make you money. And then so forth, they go to instant access and they go through the sales funnel, which we can do a video on, explain what a sales funnel is in the future. But obviously, you do not need to do this specific affiliate link. I'm not saying that this is the only one that will work. There's probably hundreds out there you can do. This is just what I'm going to use for my example. So now, I'm going to jump over to my phone and show you how to create a relevant TikTok using this product. Alright, so as you can see, we're over on TikTok right now. I got Instagram notifications popping off right away. But this is where you go to create a TikTok. And if you don't know where you go, you just click that little plus and then boom, here's what it looks like. Now obviously you got the 15-second, 60-second, and 3-minute sections down here. I usually recommend 15 to 60 seconds. Most people will lose their attention span by 3 minutes. You got your flip, which then there's me and my fancy headphones. You like it? Yeah. Anyways, you got your flip. You got your effects, which aren't super important for making an affiliate video, but it can be used to make it so more people interact and it goes further. So while creating an affiliate video for something such as an online product like this, there's a few different methods that you want to think about doing. The number one is you want to make sure it's part of the niche of your channel. So for example, let's say you have a really cute dog. Okay, this would be a perfect product for you to promote on your channel with your really cute dog. Because what you're going to do is you're going to have most of your content will just be chill content about your dog and doing cute things like rolling over and running around and going jumping in lakes and stuff like that. But then what you'll do is every once in a while, probably once a week to once every 2 weeks, you will put a video promoting your product of choice. So that could be this or it could be another animal type product. And one thing you could do is you could just do something simple like a tutorial. Which, remember, with TikTok, the most important thing is catching their attention in the first few seconds. So what you can do is you want to get an attention grabber. So you would start your recording. So as you can see, I'm recording, and I would start out. Well, let me restart that so it doesn't look funny. Obviously, we don't want that as our recording. Yeah, there we go. All right. So this is what you could do as like a grabber. Do you guys want to know how my dogs behave so well and how I got them to be trained in such a good manner? Let me show you real quick. And then you stop. Now, you jump forward and do a front view. And you'd be like, not there. All right, right there. All right, you do this. Go to this website, which is braintrainingfordogs.com. Stop it. And obviously you don't missay it like I just did, but you know, can't always be perfect. And then you usually do a far off shot to show it's legit. This is what the website will look like once you are there. Go ahead and read through it and scroll all the way down to the bottom. So you see how you keep stopping it there, so it's not like this continuously talking. You want to make sure it's short and to the point and like a tutorial, so it keeps people involved as long as possible. So then you scroll down to the bottom, right there. And then you'll be like, once you're down to the bottom, you'll see a instant access page. Click on that. Then you go to the instant access page. And then right here, you can get all these training advice and tips from a professional for only $47. You also have to enter your email address and your card information and click pay now, and boom. And then you're usually going to want to finish it off with another view of your face or just another screen. Or you could be using your dog. Like if you had a dog for this and this was your product, do a shot of your dog while saying this stuff instead of your face. But just for our example, I would just do my face again, and I'd be like, I use this program to get my dogs whipped into shape real fast. They're great dogs now, well behaved, and I feel like they're getting smarter than me every day. So I have a link up in my description. Well, not my description because TikTok doesn't have a description, but in my profile, I have a link. Go click it and check it out. Obviously, you're not going to mess it up like that, like I just did, but that is one way that you could do the video. Or you could just do it without even the website and just show your dogs doing tips and tricks and all that. So moving on. Once you have your video, you're going to click your little red check mark over here. See? And there's me. Awesome. You guys want to know how my dogs behave so well? Now, you want to add sounds. You don't just want your voice in there. That's not going to help you go viral. You want to find a sound that is trending. So, I should probably see, like, that's not really a trending sound. There you go. That's a trending sound. If you've heard it before while you're scrolling through TikTok and you've heard it multiple times in one day, that means it's trending. So you take that sound, you adjust the volume so it's correct. So add sound down, voice up. Once you are there, go ahead and read through it and scroll all the way down. Once you're down to the bottom, you'll see a instant access page. And then you'll click next. And in some cases, you can have an actual link on your profile, but you have to have a business account, which limits what sound you use. So I recommend just using the link, using the normal account and not having a link inside your video description. I didn't mean to say profile. So to describe your video, you would just do something short and sweet, because remember, no one actually takes time to read this. But you also need to keep the SEO optimized. So something like enhance your dog's intelligence. I could use enhancing of my intelligence. Can't spell intelligence. Then you would do hashtags. So hashtag dog training. 4 billion views. Hashtag how to train, not your dragon, how to train your dog. There you go. Hashtag puppy. Hashtag dog. Hashtag friend, friend, awesome, and then probably hashtag FYP for you page. Awesome. And then boom, you're just going to click post, and then that is how you promote your product. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's a quick and easy process to get one of these videos made. It's a quick way to promote a product that has a possibility of making you big bucks. The key is making sure that you have other content to post and you aren't just posting buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this every day. Because TikTok is very easy to grow if you have consistent, interesting content. That's why, like for example, I have 3 dogs. This would be a great product for me to promote if I could get my dogs to behave. Maybe I should actually buy the product. But like 7 days a week, I post about my other dogs doing cute little things or cute little tricks. And then I post one extra time per week that involves this product and about how this helped change my dog's behavior. And then over time, you'll develop a following and you'll be able to make affiliate income with your TikTok. Not only that, but if you get large enough, you'll also be able to get TikTok income, sponsor income, and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys found this video very useful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for future content. And yeah, sorry for all the stumbling through the video, but I can't be perfect at all times. So I'll see y'all in the next one.